how to teenage equality. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I want to talk about the critical issue that affect the future of society, teenage equality. So, my name is Muhammad Rafil Al-Farisi from Universitas Andalas. Although lessons is a time of expression, growth, and identity formation, however, some teenagers find themselves making poor choices such as engaging in as criminal activities, substances about this or this disruptive behavior. This acting often stem from a lack sense, presence, or emotional stress. As a community, we must rejoice this underlying issue and them with empathy, providing support system that include education, selling, and positive role of models. Preventing kids equality is not just the responsibility of parents, of teachers. It is a collective effort by fostering in an environment of understanding and open community. We can help your negative with challenge path of life. It's us encourage them to channel their energy to constructive activities, discover their passion, and build their confidence. Together, we will empower the next generation to make better choice and contribute positively to society. And thank you and see you.